Hi there, this is Cassandra Forrester, and I'm going to be talking about my MathCast. The intended audience is 4th grade. The content and learning objective is to multiply 2 digits by 2-digit numbers using 4 partial products. First, we're going to be talking about vocabulary. For our first vocabulary word, we have the word multiply, to find the product of 9 groups of 6. So here in our example, our area model shows we have 9 groups, and 6 are in each group. So that comes out to the product of 54. So 9 groups of 6 equals 54. For our second vocabulary word, we have the word product, the result of multiplying 2 or more numbers. In the array model, the product is the area of the array. So we have 6 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which comes out to the product of 24. So 6 groups with 4 in it is the product of 24. For our third and final vocabulary word, we have the word partial products. One of several products of 1 or 2 factors that have been broken apart. Here is an example shown. 59 times 84 equals 4,956. We're going to get to this answer by breaking it up into 4 products. So first we're going to do 9 times 4 equals 36. Then we move down to 9 times 80 equals 720. And then we go to 50 times 4 equals 200. And 50 times 80 equals 4,000, giving us the answer 4,956. Next, we're going to do some problems that involve partial products. For our first question, we have solved the math problem by using partial products. 48 times 32 equals. So first we're going to do 2 times 8, and that's going to give us 16. So next we're going to do 2 times 4, which really is 2 times 40, which is going to give us 80. So next, we move on to the 3. So 3 times 8 is really 30 times 8 because the 3 is in the tens place. So 3 times 8 is going to give us 240. Next, we move on to the 3 and the 4. So when we multiply the 3 by the 4, it's really multiplying 30 times 40 because both are in the tens place. So that gives us 1,200, which comes out to 1,536. Here is problem number 1, looking at it in an area model. So we have 8 times 2, 40 times 2, 30 times 8, and 40 times 3, which gives us the total amount of 1,536. Moving on to our second question. Solve the math problem by using partial products. 47 times 36. So once again, we're going to break this up into 4 sections. First, we're going to do 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. And next we do 6 times 4, which is really 6 times 40, which equals 240. And now we move on to the 3, which we do 3 times 7, which is 30 times 7 because the 3 is in the tens place, which equals 210. And now we're going to do 3 times 4, and it's really 30 times 40, which equals 1,200. And after adding all of these partial products together, we're going to get the answer for 47 times 36, which is, bring down the 2, 9, 6, and 1, 1,692. Looking at question number 2 with an area model, we see that 7 times 6 equals 42, and then 40 times 6 equals 240, and 30 times 7 equals 210, and 40 times 30 equals 1,200, giving us a total of 1,692. For our third and final question, solve the math problem by using partial products. 49 times 46 equals. So 49 times 46, we're going to first look at the 6. So 6 times 9 is going to be 54. And next we go 6 times 4, which is really 6 times 40 because the 4 is in the tens place, is going to be 240. Now we move on to the 4. So we're going to do 4 times 9, which is going to be 40 times 9 because the 4 is in the tens place, which is going to be 360. And then we do 4 times 4, which is 40 times 40, which equals 1600. And when we add these up together, we get 4. So 5 plus 4 plus 6 is going to be 15. Carry our 1, and then we do 6 plus 6 is going to be 12. Carry our 1 again. So we're going to get the answer of 2,254. And looking at 49 times 6 in an area model, we see that 9 times 6 equals 54. 40 times 6 equals 240. And 40 times 9 equals 360. And 40 times 40 equals 1600, giving us a total of 2,254. Once again, this is Cassandra Forrester, and I just want to say thanks for watching.